Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today's video is another unboxing and haul of my PR package from Yesstyle. I was selected for the Earth Tone Lookbook campaign where we are instructed to choose a product that is based on earth tone color like neutral, beige, brown, blue, green. So if you want to know what are those products that I choose for this campaign, please keep on watching. Okay, so nandito lahat yung mga na-select kong products. Mukha lang siyang malaki pero sobrang konti lang niya. Malaki lang yung pinaglagyan na box because of those dress. Kasi di ba yung pagkaka-fold ng dress. So anyways, lalabas ko na lang muna silang lahat kasi it consume a lot of space. Ayan, sa aking table. So labas ko na lang muna silang lahat. So unahin ko na lang muna yung malalaking item. And first product is this Liwi cap sleeve loose fit maxi dress. So, ito siya from the brand Liwi. So, yung color niya is off-white pero parang mukha siyang beige. So, this is a simple and classic maxi dress. And it has a loose fit tops with a full brown skirt, and it comes with a elastic tie waist, ayan, para ma-enhance yung shape ng body. So this is how it looks like when you wear. So ayan, yan yung itsura niya kapag sinuot mo. Yung materials ng cloth is thick, sobrang comfortable niyang isuot, hindi siya mainit. Ayan, sobrang ganda nito guys. Simple lang siya pero napaka-classic ng dating niya. Okay, so another item is also a dress. This is from the brand Sycamore Street Floral Print Shirt Sleeve Midi A-line dress. And ang color niya is green. Ayan, meron siyang maliliit na flower na design. So, ganito yung tsura niya. And when you wear it, this is how it looks like. So, meron siyang parang pag-garter dito sa kanyang neckline. And it has a elastic garter din banda sa likod na bandang waist. So, ayan. And meron siyang zipper dito sa gilid. Ayan. So, very comfortable siya to wear. And yung materials niya is okay naman. It's thin but not too thin. And the quality is good. Ayan. Sobrang ganda ng design niya. Ito medyo mahaba to sa akin. Okay, so last dress that I got is from the brand Lookbook. This is a floral sleeve square neck midi A-line dress. Ang color nito is peacock blue. Okay, so ganito yung tsura naman niya. Ayan, so this is how it looks like when you wear. Ito walang masyado siyang shape sa waistline. And meron siyang pag-garter dito, ayan, sa bandang top. And meron siyang parang patali sa likod. I think ang purpose din nito is, halimbawa, para hindi mahulog yung ito dito sa bandang shoulder. So, katali mo siya. Ayan, and yung kanyang sleeve, meron ding garter. Ito medyo below the knee to sa akin eh. So far, yung materials or quality of the cloth is very good. Medyo madulas siya. Ayan. Hindi naman siya manipis actually. Hindi rin siya makapal. Tamang-tama lang. Sobrang comfortable to wear. Ayan. Okay, so another one that I got for this campaign is this Kamikis plain sports bra. Ang color nito is khaki. Ayan. So, ganito naman yung tsura niya. I already washed this one and parang na-deform yung foam dun sa kabila. Pero, ayan, bumabalik naman siya. Overall, yung quality niya is very good, makapal siya, and comfortable to wear din. Ayan. Kasi na-fit ko siya eh. It perfectly fits on me. Ayan, sobrang ganda niya guys kasi makapal. Okay, so konti na lang. I got also a flats. This is from the brand Belby. So, full trim flats. So, makapal siya guys. And malambot yung pinaka-base niya. And ito, velvet siya. So, ayan. Ganyan yung design niya. Napakasimple lang pero ang ganda, diba? Ayan. Okay, so I also got a bag. This is a quilted chain strap crossbody bag. And from the brand Berlin. Yung chain niya. So, ganito yung tsura niya. Hindi pa nakalagay yung chain. So, let's open and put the chain. So, medyo manipis yung chain niya. Yan, medyo mabigat ng konti pero manipis. Okay, so ganito yung itsura niya sa loob. Medyo marami ka na rin pwedeng ilagay dito pero hindi siya pwede ng mabibigat na bagay kasi parang mapipigtas tong chain niya. Pero ang ganda ng design niya, diba? Okay, I'm gonna close it first. Ayan. So, ayan, pwede siyang ganito and then pwede mo rin siyang ganyan na style. Sobrang ganda, diba? Parang sosyalin nung, yung bag. Ayan. Okay, so, I got from the brand Arso Raso, Coral Fleece Polka Dots Ribbon. Ayan. It is white dotted light pink. So, actually, tatlo to. Yung isa nandito sa loob. Ayan, tatlo yung kinuha ko kasi para sa chakiting hindi nila ako aagawan. Okay, so open natin to. Okay, ito yung isa. And I got also a printed bow fabric headband from the brand Rero. Ang color nito is green. Akala ko nakaano na siya, ready na siya na yung parang ilalagay mo na lang. Pero hindi pa pala. So, ito siya. Medyo manipis siya, pero okay lang. The size is okay din naman. Hindi siya ganun kaliit. Hindi rin ganun kalaki. So, we're gonna try. Sakto lang siya, hindi siya ganun kahaba din. So, yan. Okay, I got also some accessories. Ayan, I got this leaf drop earrings from the brand Green Isle. So, ito yung tsura niya. Plastic siya na pa-hoop. So, ayan. Tamang pang kikay-kikay lang siya. Okay, I got also a gem siya fox pearl layered necklace, color gold. Ito ata is free. Oh, free ata to. So, ayan, may maliliit siyang pearl and ano ba to? Ayan, double layered siya. So, ganito yung tsura niya. So this is how it looks like when you wear. And I also got a bracelet. This is from the brand Yongge. Set of 4 na siya. So it comes with the 2 open bangles and 2 chains. Sakto wala akong bracelet now. So ganito yung isang bangle with a with a leaf design sa magkabilaan. So we're gonna try it also. Ito yung 2 chains niya. Yung isa, merong design na parang pa-diamond and yung isa yung parang pabilog. So, ganito siya pag sinuot. And last but not the least, I got this from the brand Serios. This is necklace. Layered cross pendant necklace. Ayan, ang color niya is gold. So, ganda yung tsura niya. Ayan. Manipis lang yung mga ano niya guys, yung mga chain. Pero okay lang. Pang kikay-kikay. So, ganyan yung tsura niya guys. So that's it guys, those are the products that I choose for this campaign and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. All the details of these products that I shown in this video will be on my description box so you can check it later, and please don't forget to use my code EasterEye12 when you purchase on Yesstyle to get some further discount. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. And thank you for watching again, and see you in my next one. Bye!